Hello and welcome to Audi Q7, especially focused on the ambient lighting. Ambient light can be customized using AMI drive select, going to vehicle settings, background lighting, and selecting with the preset colors ranging from maritime blue, contour white, impulse red, or individual, or varying on the Audi drive select button. So when you switch from comfort, for example, to efficiency, it changes as well. All of this blue and so on. I love how the interior has so much color variations and changeability, also in the Bose sound system. When individually selected, you have all these options to change the lighting, as well as the possibility to change the color of the surface light independent from the background light. So in this case, these are the colors we can change from green, purple, red to all white. Also in the rear of the vehicle, but also the line color can be changed from orange to green and blue to purple, and that's it. Overall 64 colors in a package that costs 300 euros in Slovakia. An option well worth it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.